Hello there, today we're going to look at your chest. We're going to have a little listen, see what's going on within your lungs, see if we can't figure anything out. So, is it okay to touch you? This might be a little bit cold, if you bear with me. I'm going to start off in your front, we'll go to the side and then come round the back. So initially we're going to start off, and if you can just take a deep breath in, and all the way out. Good. And then again, and all the way out. Good. And then again, and all the way out. And then again, and all the way out. You're doing so well, excellent. Just going to come down the side, and breathe in again, and all the way out. Good. We can just turn round now, thank you. And again, if we can just breathe in, just in between the scapula there, and all the way out. Good. And breathe in, and all the way out. And breathe in, and all the way out. And then again, all the way out. And then the last one, all the way in, and all the way out. Well done.